किया गया। First of all, our gratitude. Can you hear me, please? First of all, our gratitude that you are with us here at short notice. Gentlemen, we wanted to submit before you the facts of the incident which has taken place in Mocha, the action which has been taken by the police, and the subsequent line of action. Yesterday, at about 4 p.m., Srimati Shinder Kaur, accompanied by her two children, daughter Arshdeep Kaur and son Akshaydeep Singh, they boarded a bus from Moga in order to go to a village near Bagapurana. As stated by Srimati Shinder Kaur, she gave 100 rupees to the conductor and requested him to give 3 tickets. The conductor gave her only 2 tickets and asked for an additional sum of rupees 10. Mrs. Shinder Kaur objected to this, and the conductor and a helper, they entered into an argument with Mrs. Kaur. Srimati Shinder Kaur further stated, she has added, that after this initial misconduct, after some time, the bus stopped at a toll barrier, and another person who is known to the conductor and the helper, he boarded the bus, and the 3 of them, that is the conductor, the helper, and their associate who subsequently boarded the bus, they committed the offense of molestation. Mrs. Shinder Kaur and her daughter, they jumped out of the moving bus, were the initial reports which appeared in a section of the media today. What Mrs. Shinder Kaur has stated is that they were pushed out from the moving bus. A case under section 302, that is murder, and other appropriate sections of law has been registered. Apart from the 3 accused mentioned by Mrs. Kaur in her statement, police investigation has found the driver also to be culpable of certain offences. So in all there are 4 accused in the case. That is the conductor, the helper, their one associate who boarded the bus, and the driver of the bus. Three of the accused have been arrested by the police. That is the driver, the conductor, and the helper. The fourth accused has been identified, and presently police parties have been sent to arrest him. IGP Mrs. Gurpreet Kaur Deo, IG NRI Punjab, has been sent to Moga. She is presently in Moga to talk to Mrs. Chandra Kaur and oversee the investigation. ADGP Crime, Mr. Sahota, has been deputed to personally monitor the investigation so that they are speedily completed and effective prosecution is done. Gentlemen, yesterday when this incident came to notice, ADGP Law and Order took stock of the situation. The field units cover buses at random. Both buses which ply on the link road, as also buses which ply from rural areas to educational institutions. They cover them at random in order to prevent such incidents. ADGP Law and Order has increased the frequency of this coverage from yesterday. Also, the police helpline 181, where repeatedly members of the public have been requested to give information of such incidents. Necessary steps to make that helpline more effective have been taken by ADGP Law and Order. Question, please. Yes.
मालिक कौन है सर? मालिक कौन है? ऑनर कौन?
Orbit the जो मालिक है, that is, I think, I do not know the exact ownership, but I think it is Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal and other members of his family. The exact ownership I am not aware of.
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੇਰੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਕੇਸ ਕਰਨ ਚ ਕਈ ਘੰਟੇ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਕਾਰਨ ਕੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੀ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੰਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਕਾਫੀ ਹੱਦ ਤੱਕ ਲੜਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋਇਆ, ਲੋਕਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ, ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਅਫਸਰ, ਕੋਈ SSP ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ
IG NRI will give a complete report. She is presently at Moga.